for 10:30, no later than dropping them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, take to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And now I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the rest of me. I will be catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this vlog, kindly hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. I am apparently waiting for you to hit that red button. It is as easy as I am saying it, you know. Yeah guys, so in this vlog today we are going to get ready with you guys are going to get ready with me. Right now I'm going to the shower and then I start doing my makeup, then we choose an outfit together if that will be possible because of time. Yeah, it's my cousin's birthday. My cousin was born on January 14th, but apparently we are on January 26th. We didn't do her birthday because she had postponed it to later date, and the later date is today, guys. Yeah, and we are so happy, and happy birthday, Asha Mweni. I wish you long life, I wish you more grace, I wish you more blessing, I wish you more money in this 2024 and the years to come, you know. Yeah, so guys, I am going to the shower right now, just in a bit, and then we start doing our makeup, get ready, and we'll leave the house. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, so stay up until the end. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to leave a comment, tell me what you want to see more. Yeah guys, that's all. So this is what I'm thinking, because it's an evening thing and it's a bowling, so I'm thinking of wearing that book top. This is a tight and it has wide legs, and then this one I really don't. Tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you facilitating this you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Hello guys, I thought I will update you guys on get ready with me, but apparently it was so late, the lighting was bad, and now we are here with the girls. Yeah, we are at Village Market. This is my makeup. Finally, I did my own makeup, guys. Yeah, we are at Village Market, and I hope you guys will see the activities that we're going to do. Okay, then, yo, guys. Always. No. Fine girl. We're going for bowling. So see you in the bowling game, guys. The view here at night is very nice. Look at those chandeliers and stuff.
And we can ride the boogie, share